Greetings and welcome. Subscribe the channel Thermal Engineering for video sessions. This is video session on radiation numerical on heat exchange between two infinite concentric cylinders. In this session, you will be able to solve radiation numerical on heat exchange between two infinite concentric cylinders. So, for the concentric cylinders, the formula of heat exchange is taken from the theory, that is sigma into A1 into T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4 divided by, these are the three resistances. So by arranging the terms, this is a modified formula. Here area A1 is a area for the inner cylinder, its radius is R1. A2 is a outer cylinder, this outer surface area of this cylinder, 2 pi R2. T1, T2, T3 are the surface temperatures. T1 is the inside temperature, T3 is the outside temperature. Let us go to the numerical. Here statement is a hollow thin wall cylinder having diameter 10 cm, 20 cm and 30 cm are arranged coaxially. The temperature of innermost and outermost cylinder surface are 100 Kelvin and 300 Kelvin respectively. Assuming vacuum between annular spaces, find steady state temperature attained by cylinder having diameter of 20 cm. Take emissivities of all cylinders as 0.05. Now, first of all, by the diagram, the inner surface of the cylinder radius R1, this first cylinder outer radius is R2 and the second cylinder outer radius is R3. Innermost temperature is T1. Between these two cylinders, the surface temperature T2 and outermost surface temperature is T3. So the radius are given 10 cm, that is R1, that diameter is given 10 cm. So radius R1 is converted in centimeter. Similarly, for 20 cm diameter, second radius R2, and for third diameter 30 cm, this is a radius. Now all these radii are to be converted into meter, so multiply the values with 10 raised to minus 2. Then temperature T1 in Kelvin and outermost surface temperature T3. Emissivities for all are 0.05. Now under steady state condition, here we can write equation for heat transfer between surface 1 and 2 is equal to heat transfer between surface 2 and 3. So for surface 1 and 2, here all the parameters will have the base 1 and 2. So A1 area, T1, T2 temperatures, emissivities epsilon 1 and epsilon 2. For this 2 to 3, here area will be A2, temperatures will be T2 and T3, and emissivity will be E2 and E3. So as per the theory, formula for Q left side and for right side. After that, we have to calculate here relation. So for that, A1 by A2 is equal to, area is surface area, that is pi dl So A1 area, that is pi d1L, A2 area, that is pi d2L. Cancellation of terms, we have d1 by d2, means R1 by R2. So R1 by R2, this value we get, that is ratio of A1 to A2. Similarly for A2 to A3, putting the value of R2 and R3, we find this ratio. Then in the last slide, the formula in that area A1. So here area is written in the form of radius, that is 2 pi R1L into temperature difference, that is between 1 and 2. Right side surface area for radius R2, that is 2 pi R2L into temperature difference between 2 and 3, divided by these are the expressions. Left side A1 A2 area, right side A2 A3 area. These are the emissivities. So putting all the values which are mentioned here in this expression, here we have to find temperature T2, that is middle layer temperature. So by the calculation we find this in Kelvin, T2 temperature. So at the end of this session you can solve radiation numerical on heat exchange between two infinite concentric cylinders. In this numerical we find the temperature between the two cylinder surface. So subscribe the channel Thermal Engineering for such kind of video sessions. Thank you.